June week trip is underway. First day we had a little bit of windy conditions, so we moved it inshore. We caught some big snook, as you can see from Chris's big snook right there. Also some spinner sharks. It was a fun first day, getting things going, getting people bending the rod. But now we're offshore, going after pelagics, you know, sailfish, kings. Those are the goals. Maybe mahi, we'll see. But definitely hoping to hook some sailfish this week. That's everybody's goal, is to land a sailfish. So they've been here, we've been catching them. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get on a few. We got a double hookup. We got Claude out there hooked up. Eric's with him, and we just got Chris hooked up. What we got there? Big king. That thing's small. Good shadow there. It's pretty big. That's a nice king. I love that in the tournament tomorrow. All right, beautiful, Chris. That's a big boy there.
Yes.
That's solid fish. Sweet job, man.
Absolutely.
All right. Just released Chris's big king. He's back hooked up. We're just about to turn out, go back out to deeper water, and Chris hooked up. There you go. That's the sound I want to hear off that van stall. Stay with him, stay with him, stay with him, stay with him. Probably a big smoker, huh? Yep, another big smoker king. Back-to-back smokers for Chris. That's a beauty, a little bit fatter on that one too. It's a nice fish. Sweet.
Day 2 of the week trip. We are doubled up. Chris is on a fish, and Matt's running over there to help Brian out. See what we got. Hopefully some good fish here. All right, Claude, that was a good hit, huh? Yeah. All right, man. Is this your first king mackerel from a kayak?
Yeah.
Nice job. It's a good one too. Really nice work on that, man. Good fish. All right, guys, so Judy had the first hookup. She got sharked. But now Lawrence is on to a sailfish. I'm afraid to grab it. It's too fresh. Not yet, not yet. Unbelievable.
Coming to you.
All right, I'm gonna grab it. Yeah, don't lose. It's okay. Okay. All right, Lawrence. This your first sail from a kayak?
Yeah.
Nice job on that, man. Beautiful fish.
Lawrence just got his sailfish. We were reeling up, checking baits, and Steve just got smashed by a sailfish. About 20 yards off his boat. Let him run. He wants to run. Let him run. There he is, right there. He's right there. All right. Woo-hoo-hoo! Tail walking, baby. Woo! Woo-hoo! Steve had a rough day yesterday. Trolled the same bait around all day. I told him things would be different today. And we on, baby. So smash it when you're reeling up, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Let's keep that line off your boat.
Pretty freaking awesome, huh?
It was funny. I was reeling my bait and we turned it around. Fucking
Smashed it coming in.
Yeah,
That's awesome. This should be it. Woo! Good job, man. First sailfish from the yak. Nice work on that, seriously. Really good work.
Got Lawrence back hooked up. Got that sailfish earlier. Yeah, there's that little kingfish there. Kingfish there. Yeah. All right, lower to the king. Got that sailfish earlier. Nice little king mac here. Not too shabby. Get some pics.
All right, guys, this is the last day for the week trip. The conditions aren't the greatest. We got a shark so far, a couple cudas. Getting a little down. But Claude is on a sailfish right now. Down. Of course, when I put the camera away, he wants to cooperate. Almost done. Try to keep her on this side if you can. Well guys, Claude did lead to the sail. It was official catch. I didn't get it on video with him holding it because it got kind of hectic. We had hammerheads charging the sailfish before we were able to get it up. I think we're doubled up on the sail right now. Judy is on. Today she caught some barracudas early on. Her husband got his first sailfish. We're not sure what we got here. Said it jumped, I didn't see it. Feel like about the same fight as a little trout. Muskie?
No.
Alright, what do we got? And take a nice run here in a second when she gets close, okay? So just hold on to that rod.
Yeah.
Slow pull up and then reel down. If you hear that noise, you don't got to reel again. Say, yeah, that's perfect. Now reel down. Slow pull up, reel down, nice and slow. Yep, perfect. Doing great, Judy. All right, Judy, is that your first king from a kayak?
You bet it is.
You and your husband both got your first. Good job on that one. You did great.
Great, it was fun. Amazing.
Got Judy back hooked up, something big. Good one here. Doing good. Yep. Bigger king. Got line off the boat, one leg extended. Try to grab him here. Yep, big king. That's a good fish there. Woo! Good job, Judy. That is a nice king right there. I love it. That's a big one. Really nice job.